All right, y'all, been wanting to buy one of these for a long time. Finally did. Now to see how it actually works. So this one's off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. But yeah, I got that on Amazon. It's a 10-liter. Got the solution in there already. It's 5 to 1 or 1 to 5. So 5 parts water, 1 part this cleaner. Also got this cleaner from Amazon. It's specifically for carburetors. It's supposed to not make it look all dull. It's supposed to make it look nice and shiny. So I don't know, should be cool. It's a little bit expensive, but I like the reviews I saw, so we'll see how it works. This one, they have a digital one, but the knobs seem like just one less thing to break, so seems like the knob version would be better. But yeah, let's get straight to it. Not really a video on how to clean a carburetor, just want to show you guys how it cleans the crud off. Not so much how to tear it apart, but yep, this is the carburetor before. Not super bad, but yeah, a little dull, a little dirty, but really not bad. I'm gonna put the small parts in this little Tupperware here and clean them, but I'll focus it here in a second. But yeah, check out this emulsion tube or whatever it's called. That thing is nasty. So super corroded or just cruddy. A lot of gunk in that. So hoping to clean these jets out. Some of the smaller parts I'll put in the Tupperware and just put water in there and submerge that. But yeah, here's the bowl. Bowl's pretty bad. This is going to be the best test, I think. Get a good before. See how yellow it is and how discolored that tube is. Hopefully that's a good before. Got stuff on the bottom, solids, old gas. Accelerator pump, not too bad. And then actually the other side of the accelerator pump's pretty bad. Be a good test here on this piece. Some good lighting. It's a good before. Super dirty. But yeah, I'm just gonna get all these parts, the small stuff in this little thing. I'll let you know how that works out, but I'll get everything in there and get it cranked on and see how it goes. Okay, so I've got all the parts I'm going to put in the solution in the tank. This is how the CV carb from a Harley Davidson fits into the tank. Plenty of room. Probably could have done a 6-liter, but just wanted something big enough to clean bigger items later on. And I got a little floater here. Hopefully it's not a terrible idea.
Okay, just want to add in that they make actually metal cages that are way better of an idea than using a plastic Tupperware. I'll put a link in the description below to where you can get one of those cages, but I'll definitely use one of those next time. And also, I want to note that I ran this for about an hour at 150 degrees, and it did take a while to get heated up. Okay, so right here, this is what the carburetor looks fresh out of the cleaner, and I actually am doing a voiceover because the machine's still running and it sounds horrendous. So yeah, basically I thought it was going to clean out all that stuff, but no big deal. You just have to tap it with the rag to clean it out. It's super loose and ready to be wiped. I thought I was going to do a little bit better on its own, but no big deal. Just wipe it with the rag. This is how it looks fresh out before hitting it with the rag. And then in this next clip, I'm going to show you what it looks like after using a rag on it.
Okay, so at first I was kind of iffy, but after I scrubbed everything down, man, it's the cleanest I've ever seen a carb I've got clean. Just need to get in there by the butterfly a little bit. But yeah, it doesn't exactly take off everything. You got to get in there with the, a little rag and stuff and just kind of give it a wipe down and then, rinse it with water. But yeah, it's super clean compared to how it was. After just a wipe down. Look at that, it's like new in there. Show you one of the other pieces. Here's the bowl. That crud that was at the bottom is gone.
All right, y'all. So in closing, I just want to let y'all know that I think that this combination of the ultrasonic cleaner and the solution I use work really well. The carburetor really cleaned up with minimal effort. All I had to do was wipe it down, and it turned out to be really clean. There was a lot of like gummed up, gelled up fuel at the bottom of the bowl and in the accelerator pump area of this carburetor, and usually I'm having to pick that stuff out, scrub it really good. You know, I'm dipping it in Berryman's their solution you can get from the auto store for carb cleaner, and that one's worked well for me in the past, you know, but there's definitely a lot more scrubbing involved. This one, you kind of just set it and forget it. You got to wipe it down when you're done with it, but it's really it. You wipe it down, rinse it with some water, and then blow some use a compressor to blow through your passageways and things like that, and it does a really good job of cleaning out. So, you know, you definitely got to do a few other things, but in combination, this is a really good tool and solution to get those carburetors super clean. I will say, if you're only doing one carburetor, or you're only doing this like, you know, every so often, it may not be worth it, you know, but if you're doing multiple carburetors, cleaning lots of different things, this tool's definitely handy to have. So if you like the video, check out the description with links to the products, and thanks for watching.